Here you guys, double up.
Welcome to First Time Casting Adventures channel. Please subscribe for more videos.
Guys, I done kept this little fella out the water long enough. Let's get him. It's amazing how much heart these little bass got, man. They will tackle anything if they can get it in their mouth. Let's get this guy back in the water. He look like somewhat like a spotted bass also. Look at there. Okay. Let's get him back in the water, guys. All right. Let's see if we can get another one. All right, you guys. Let's get this guy back in the water. Don't want to keep him out too long. Nice hook set though. Got him right in the corner of the mouth. So let's see if we can get the hook out. Get him back in the water, you guys. Nice one too. I don't know, he's about 1.5, something like that. Let's get him back in the water. Goodbye, buddy. Thank you so much. Woohoo! All right, you guys. Actually, the first one I got was a dink. I just got on another one, and this right here is much better. Oh wow. Oh my goodness, man, this is definitely a whole lot better. Alright, you guys, the lipless crankbait is definitely putting in the work, you guys, and these bass are getting hungry. They are definitely getting hungry out here, you guys. Check that out. Beautiful bass, healthy bass. Let's get them back in the water. Thank you, buddy. Woohoo! Some of the guys just passed by on the service vehicle. He was like, wow, man, y'all look at this sucker right here, you guys. This sucker is big, man. Huh? All right. I think it's a 4-pounder. 40 quarter, 4.5. What the man said? Uh-huh. Yeah. Y'all crazy. Okay, you go with 4 pounds 4 ounces. Patrick, would you go with 4.7? All right, well, I tell you what, he get ready to be scaled. Yeah, I could do that. You know I'm gonna do that. Now why in the world would I do that, man? Woo! Just about 5 pounds, you guys. I'm gonna send the picture to you right now, and I ain't pulling no tail down. I ain't got to. I'm honest about this. Man, this sucker's huge. I'm finna send it to you right now. I'm finna send it to you right now. There we go. Okay, you guys, double up on the lipless crankbait. 2 for 1, you guys. Y'all check that out. Amazing. Let's get these guys off the hook and get them back in the water. But y'all check that out.